Hello children, Meenakshi Sinha is here with keeping in touch with maths and Meenakshi Sinha with the typical questions related with the geometry. This is a very special and interesting problem is here. Here's a triangle ABC. This is a triangle in such a way that BD is equal to DC. It means they both are equal to each other. And we have joined this AB at angle 45. This angle it is 45. This also angle is given to us. That two angles are given to us. Angle DAB is equal to 50. DAC is given to us 50, and angle ADB is equal to 45. Under this condition, we have to find the value of x. This value is to be determined by us. ये निकालना, ठीक है? तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशंस. क्या है? ट्रायंगल ले लीजिए सबसे पहले ADC. ADC 45 is the external angle of this triangle. It means 45 degree is the external angle. Of triangle, of this triangle. It means इसका मतलब ये हुआ that if it is equal to alpha, then alpha plus 45 will be equal to alpha plus 15 will be equal to 45. It means for 15 plus alpha, this will be equal to 45. This angle will be the external angle for the triangle ADC. ADC angle के लिए ये वाला angle external हो गया इस triangle के लिए. For this triangle, it is an external angle, so that the addition of these two angle will be equal to 45. ये equation हमें यहाँ लिखी. It means alpha is equal to हो गया. Alpha is nothing but for ACD. Alpha is equal to हो गया 30. That is angle ACD is equal to 30. ये हमने नोट कर लिया. Okay, this is noted by us. This become equal to alpha. Alpha replace करके that is 30. Clear? अब क्या करें? Now search a point on AC. Take a point on AC. We have to take a point on AC in such a way that so that DC will equal to a point P. So we suppose that this is P. We have to take a point P on AG that in such a way that this distance will be equal to DC. It means यहाँ center माना and then okay, yeah, this is the point P. So that this is the point P. We have taken a point P on AC such that DC is equal to PD. Okay, it means this arms will be equal to this. Figure पे ना जाए. Don't take seriously. This figure may be wrong. Even though calculation is there. So PD is equal to DC. If PD is equal to DC, then in triangle PDC, this become equal to 30 angle. Angle DPC will be 30 because they both arms are equal, so that this both angle will be equal. ठीक है? Okay. Now this is 30. What will we do? अब क्या करें? But what? But at point D, this whole, and this is 45. Okay. This whole angle is what? 190 minus 45. At point D, angle ADC is equal to 180 minus 45. That is 135. Okay. And also angle PDC, this will be equal to what? 180 minus 30 plus 30. This one is triangle. It means it is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120. This whole angle is 135. This, but this angle is only this portion is 120. Okay. This whole angle was 135, out of which this portion is only 120. 120. 120. It means this will be equal to 15 degree. Okay. It means angle ADP, which will be equal to what? ADC minus PDC. Angle ADC minus angle PD. Angle APD. ADC minus PDC. That is 135 minus 120, that is 15. Okay. It means in this triangle ADP we are getting two angles. One is this one 15 and another is this one 15. और इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? It means that AP arm will be equal to PD. It means in triangle ADP we are having angle DAP equal to angle ADP, which is 15. Hence PD will be equal to AP. It means this. Okay? Okay. Very nice. Very nice. We have to find out now X. Now what we have to do? यहाँ तक आ रहे हैं. Join this. Now join PB. In PB angle, what we are observing? That BD is equal to PD. In triangle BPD, BD is equal to PD. It means at point P angle, this angle, if is equal to beta, then this will also be equal to beta. Okay. It means at P, angle beta, and at point B, angle P beta, PBD is equal to angle BPD. BBD PBD will be equal to BPD. Okay, but what? Angle BDP, angle BDP is 45 plus 15. It is equal to 45 plus 15, that is 60. Up, this angle is 60, the addition of this, they both are equal. It means the addition of these two is 120. It means each angle is of 60 degree. So that it means angle B will be equal to 60 because they both are angle equal and this single angle is 60 degree. So that the addition of these two 120, that will be divided by 2, it will equal 60. It means beta will be equal to 60 degree. That is 60 degree. Okay, हो गया 60. अब ये 60 आ गया जी. Now what we have to do? 60, 60, 60. 60 means, it means BP is also equal to, it means that equilateral triangle हो गया. BPD is a equilateral triangle. It means BP is equal to PD is equal to BD. अच्छा, it means this arms is also equal to same. Okay. अब आप ट्रायंगल लीजिए. Now we have to take the triangle ABP. Now triangle ABP, they both arms are equal. AP is equal to BP. AP is equal to BP. It means this whole angle is equal to this whole angle. Okay. It means supposing this angle is gamma. Okay. It means that x plus 15 is equal to gamma. And what about this angle? इस एंगल के बारे में क्या कहें? This will equal to 90. Angle APB will equal to 90 because this is 60, this is 30. It means whole angle. This is 90 degree. It means this also be the angle 90. And angle APB is equal to 90 because this side is 60, this is 30, this whole is 90. It means this is 90. ये 90 डिग्री हो गया. It means ये दोनों बराबर है. ये पूरा एंगल इस पूरे के एंगल के बराबर है, तो एक एंगल 45 का हो गया. और we can say that each angle x plus 15 is also 45 and this gamma is also 45. Gamma is equal to 45 and x plus 15 is equal to 45. That is x is equal to 30 degree. This is the answer. X will be equal to 30. बड़े स्टेपिंग से आपको एक एक चलना है, मजे लेने हैं. मैथ्स को एंजॉय कीजिए और एंजॉय कीजिए बस, और कुछ नहीं, टेंशन से बिल्कुल ना लिए। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, इट वाज द आंसर। कीप इट अप, कीप जॉइनिंग विद मी एंड प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब मी। ओके, फिगर में थोड़ा सा बनाने में परेशानी होती है, इवन दो इट इज वेरी मच ओके, वेरी नाइस क्वेश्चन। ओके, बाय।